Hello, this is Laurie Robb. I'm going to show you how to use the Proquest databases to find criticisms for your literary criticism assignment. Today, during this video, we're going to talk about the Arts and Humanities and Proquest Central. And both of these are through our vendor called Proquest, and each of those links have a very similar look, which is this. It has the banner and it has a search box. So following these directions will help you with either Proquest Central or the Arts and Humanities database. So in the search box, we will enter the title of our piece as well as the author of the piece that we're looking at. And as this is loading, just note that the only difference between our databases through Proquest are the journals that they are searching. So obviously the Arts and Humanities database is searching through ebooks and journals and different items that are related to arts and humanities. So from here we get 426 results. Now a lot of these will be criticisms, but not all will be criticisms. So we could look at to see what type of journal this is. Also note this only shows as an abstract, so we would not want that. We would want the ones that are full text. Or if we feel like we're getting a lot of book reviews that have Song of Myself in the book review, we can put the word and criticism here as well to help narrow our results. So now we've gone from 4 something to 302. And some of those first ones are still there. That has not changed. So what we want to do is to take a look at some of these to see if they will work. And then you will want to keep up with the ones that you find. Because for this assignment, you need 3 literary criticisms. So I am going to click on one to open it. And I'm going to take a look at it to see if it will work. And if this does work, if this does meet the criteria for the literary criticism, then I will want to use a tool to keep up with it. More than likely, I would choose the email. Now you can download or print whatever you feel like doing, but if you email this back to yourself, then you can also include the MLA citation for it. And that's really handy to have. So here you would put in your school email, your Gmail, whatever, your name, and I would change this Proquest research to something more that means more to you, maybe part of the title of the article that you're looking at. So that is how you use a Proquest database to find information for your literary criticism. Also, I want to point out one final thing. When I used the search box, I use keywords. So one of my keywords is the title. I would hold that together with quotes. I would do capital A and D for all my other keywords because the capital A and D is a signal to the search engine that you want all of these keywords in all of your results. So I hope this has been helpful. If you need more help, you can contact a librarian through email, or you can use the Ask a Librarian web chat box available at our page at www.rccc.edu/LRC. Thank you.